Good afternoon, TikTok. 6125 AM AC doesn't work. Got aftermarket exact cab on it. It's Orchard tractor. I think it's got quite a few hours on it. It's probably got 7,000 hours on it. I've been coming out here working on this tractor for years. So got lighting system code 8467 hours. So I just had to see running for about 30 minutes. AC's not cool. High pressure switch, jump it, works. Jump the compressor, it works. But we got no refrigerant. Hardly any pressure. It's probably got air in it, so I would say we're just gonna fill it up, but I decided we're gonna do it right. We're gonna vacuum it down, make sure there's no leaks, figure out why it has no refrigerant in it, and we'll go from there. So there's no refrigerant in it, as you can see. Got the valve open. There's nothing in it. Yeah, I know the limit's missing. But this is why I'm glad the company I work for got me a PTO powered compressor. I don't gotta worry about some stupid tank. So I don't claim to be an AC expert by any means, but the way I was taught, open both the low and the high side. I'll let it run for about 15-20 minutes, then I'll let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. If it holds vacuum, we know it's gonna hold refrigerant. If it doesn't hold vacuum, then we got a leak somewhere. Alright, we got everything hooked up. I vacuumed it. My Harbor Freight vacuum gauge thing. No leaks, no leaks. Held pressure. So we fill her up. I go by temperature outside. So it's, I don't know, roughly 75 degrees, 80 degrees out here. So we'll load her up and get her done. Alright, well, put some refrigerant in it. It works, but the line's freezing up. So my high side is high, my low side is low. This is just static pressure. High side's about 175, low side is below 10. So it's probably got a bad expansion valve. So we'll get one ordered and we'll come back out, but at least the operator can have a little bit of coolness now. It was cooling down to about 50 degrees. So it's 70 degrees outside now. So it should be about 40, 45-ish. I'll see what he wants to do. He might just want to leave it for now until it starts to get a little hotter.